Guys, so welcome back to my movie review channel. So this is the second review, technically the third, but second time with my face out. So today I'm going to do something very different. I'm not going to tell you which movie I'm reviewing. So this is a new concept I came up with, where I'm going to talk about this movie, critique it, and give my score. But I won't tell you what this movie's title is. And I want you guys to guess what this movie is. And whoever guesses it right in the comments, I'll pin you in. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna start talking about this movie in 3, 2, 1, go! So this movie is all about this one dude, okay? He has a lot of trauma and past regrets. And over the period of the movie, he starts fighting his inner demon. And as he fights his inner demon, he meets a good adversary. And he has to overcome or like fight this adversary to overcome his past trauma. So the only way he can do that is by challenging himself. And through the movie, he goes through a character arc, changes himself. Right. At this point, it's like I'm telling you the entire story. So I'm going to stop right there because I don't want to go too in depth and reveal the entire story to you. But I'll get to the main parts. So the acting in the movie is really good, like insane, and it's a pretty old movie. So in my last movie review, everyone was like telling me, bro, you are so late. It's like you're reviewing an old movie. It's like 5-6 months late, bro. What's the point of reviewing? So I want this guy to talk about that. So I'll let this guy speak about it. So this guy will be coming in. Okay, so I had to address this important thing. Last movie review, everyone told me that I was late to the game, but you know what? It doesn't matter because most of you who watched the movie were late to it anyway. I want every single one of my subscribers to watch my videos immediately, the very second I upload it. So if you don't watch my videos immediately, how can you expect me to review a movie immediately? So that's pretty much all I have to say. So bye. And by the way, the review he's doing is really bad. The movie sucks. I mean the movie. I give the movie 2 out of 10. So bye. Yeah. So I pretty much agree with everything he said. But yeah, when it comes to the movie, I kind of disagree with certain aspects, but it doesn't matter that much. My roommate is talking when I'm doing this review. So disappointed, but it doesn't matter. Cool. So finally, I'll talk about the VFX in this movie. There was zero VFX. At least I didn't see anything. So I'll reduce few points for that. And acting was okay-ish, but certain actors did an outstanding job, and certain actors didn't do anything. Like, they didn't deliver anything emotionally. So the overall score for the movie like go down because of this. Because if the whole acting in the movie is bad or great, I could accept that. But this disconnect, some actors doing great and some actors doing bad, is something I generally hate. So yeah. Finally, camera work and editing were pretty decent. It's a standard for like typical Indian cinema. So yeah, overall I'd give this movie 7.5 out of 10. And let me know if you agree, and let me know if you guess the movie. If you guess the movie, comment it down and I'll pin you guys. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.